Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ness. In this video, I'm gonna do a review on this buffer jacket from the North Face, the 1996 retro Nuptse jacket. And as usual, I'm gonna share with you guys my few different looks that I create to go with this jacket. Let's go. I'm never really a fan of down jacket, but I think down jacket is pretty good and convenient for traveling because it's most of the down jacket they're packable. They've done a lot of collaboration with the other brand, and also they have some crazy prints and colorways. But to me, in the end of the day, I think the black buffer jacket is the best colorways. If you are under the budget for the winter or you're under budgets in general, I would recommend people to buy a down jacket or any kind of jacket that in black colors. You know, especially for the winter, it's extremely easy to wear, and also it's just matched with any kind of clothes that you have in your wardrobe. You don't want to buy a white or cream color jacket that's gonna easy to see stains. I think black color jackets is always the best color for the winter time. Also, black color, it look cool too. This one though, I see like boy, girl, men's, woman, they wear the down jacket from the North Face. So let's get a closer up into the design of this brilliant jacket from the North Face. The pricing on this is cost $320, and also the fit on this is oversized, more like a boxy fit silhouette. Off the bat, you can see this is the baffle oversized patterns. Most of the down jacket though, they feel with more like handmade material in the chamber, but this one from the North Face, they feel with good down. And at the side of this jacket, they have two side pockets as well with the zipper. In the right side of this pocket, you're able to compress this entire jacket into the small pocket in the right side of this jacket. And on the sleeve of this jacket, they have the elastics for a better fitting, as well as the velcro. And in the bottom of this jacket at hem, they have two shock guard in the left side and in the right side for you to adjust the fitting on these jackets, as well as for you to prevent the air get inside of your body. I think another smart design as well, this one, it doesn't really expose the shock guard at the side. You can see a lot of jacket, they design this shock guard outside of this jacket, so I would prefer it hidden inside. The most simple design is the design that have a lot of thought into it, so that's why I really appreciate the simplicity of this Nuptse jacket. Even the zipper at the side, you can see there's another gusset that cover this zipper pull inside of this pocket. Not everything has to be exposed. Only the exposing detail on this jacket is the middle zipper in this jacket, which is this Vislon zipper pull with the plastic zipper tee. I'm not really into the plastic zipper tee that much, but I think in this case it works well with this jacket. And also what I like about this middle zipper is this gussets with the detail of this webbing layers stitched on top of these gussets. A lot of the down jacket that don't have this thin layer of the webbing piece stitched on top of these gussets, they are stuck between this when you pull the zipper all the way up. The material that they use on this Nuptse jacket, they use ripstop fabric. So ripstop fabric is extremely durable, and the material ripstop on this Nuptse jacket, they have repellent coatings. I think the spec on the North Face is a 40 to 50D ripstop, and also they have a lifetime warranty for your jacket. If you have like a rip or a cut inside this jacket, a damage, you can bring it to the store and they're gonna repair the jacket for you. And on this jacket, you can see the fabric, right? Even though it's the black colorway, they have two different shades, right? The torso, the sleeve have different shade than on the shoulder and on the collar. And the most iconic detail on this Nuptse jacket you know, not about this design, but I think it's the logo of the branding on the left of the chest and also in the back of your right shoulder. They say this logo is got inspired from the 1996 retro Nuptse jacket. I think a lot of people also complain about how flimsy of this hood that they have in this jacket, but to me, like, who wear hood? A lot of time I just gonna wear like a beanies or hat with this. If you pull out the hood inside this stand collar, I don't think it's look nice. Aesthetic wise, it's not gonna look that good. Hide the hood is better, you know. Just use the stand color, it look nicer. And also at the side of this hood, they have two extra shock cord for you to adjust the sizing of your hat. And go inside this jacket, in the left side you have another extra hidden pocket with the zipper. To me, wear this during the winter time in New York City, I think it's pretty good. Often I don't just wear this alone. I wear this Nuptse jacket with a hoodie. That is more like essential combination with this Nuptse jacket from the North Face. I think hoodies, beanies is gonna keep you warm for sure when you wear with this Nuptse jacket. And also sizing with this is XS. It's a little bit big for me, but it's good because, you know, when you wear a jacket, you want to have a little bit roomy for you to layering like hoodie, sweater. But to me, the best combination to wear with this Nuptse jacket is the hoodies and the beanies. Another best combination is my favorite camo pants, and that look extremely good with this black jacket. Camo pants is not a lot of people's favorite combination though, but to me, like, black color go with the camo pants, it look perfect. Comfort, I think, I don't know what to say about comfort, but I think very comfortable, more comfortable than a leather jacket. And up next, I'm gonna share with you guys few different looks that I create to go with this jacket. So there you go. This is my quick review on the North Face 1996 Nuptse jacket. Is it worth it? I think it's worth it because if you have any damage on your jacket, you can bring them back to the store and they're gonna repair the jacket for free. I think it's worth it for $320, you know. And also, I've seen a lot of people wear this kind of jacket for a lifetime. You know, they wear like for 5 6 years, they never really damaged, but the fabric is just losing the coating shine on top of this. And if you like one of the look in this video, give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more video. I have a lot of video coming up every single week and I can wait to share with you guys. I'm out.